What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you guys a new product from DRT Fabrication, and we have our buddy Talon's Tacoma. Well, Talon's actually here too, hanging out over there, but this is Talon's 3rd gen Tacoma, and we did a couple things to it. So in the front here you'll see the new TRD Pro grill. This is what everybody calls a V2, so that's what we're going to call it. You guys will see that later, but this video, we are mainly going to be focusing on this back here. So right down here, this giant cannon-like shock is the Fox 2.5 in a 12-inch smoothie. So this here is going to allow 12 inches of travel. This is the DSC version. So we got the adjuster right back there on top. And in order to run this, we actually have installed the brand new DRT Fabrication shock towers, as you guys see here. So this is going to allow 12 inches of travel. What we're currently doing is installing some wheel spacers, because these wheels are actually rubbing on the shock body themselves pretty much right here. So we're going to install that, and then we're gonna flex it out and show you guys the amount of travel this thing has. All right guys, so we got the Tacoma on the forklift here. This is 24 inches from the ground here, and that puts that rear tire just right off the ground. Look at that gap, that is insane. We got the limit strap in there and everything. So this, if you guys are looking for the maximum amount of travel out of your rear end, this is the way to go. So this shock tower doesn't go through your bed. So this is probably the longest shock that you'll be able to run with their DRT towers without going into the bed itself. So if you guys are looking to do this, definitely let us know. So the reason why you would want to do this, so when you're on the trail and you're on an obstacle where it gets kind of tippy and you want your tire to stay on the ground, so obviously to prevent it from teeter-tottering and going back and forth, this is going to do it. So this is crazy. We're going to have this kit on our website at runningfortacos.com, so be sure to check this out. I will link it down below. All right guys, that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys this cool new kit that DRT came out with. So that's going to be it. If you guys are not subscribed already, please do so, and we'll see you guys in another video. Peace.